COVID warriors are leaving no stone unturned in their fight against COVID-19 pandemic. In a shocker, JDS MLC KT Srikantegowda in Karnataka, along with his son, attacked journalists in Karnataka's Mandya district. The whole incident played out when health officials were conducting mandatory virus tests on journalists at Mandya's Ambedkar Bhavan. Fuming over the selection of the venue, JDS MLC and his son barged into the venue and started yelling at doctors, demanding them not to conduct tests in that particular area. Drunk on power, the duo along with their supporters attacked journalists, and the whole incident was captured on camera, following which the police lodged an FIR against the MLC and his son. Going over to Nolan Pinto joining us live. Nolan, JDS MLC there trying to show his high-handedness, pushing away those doctors who are trying to conduct tests on some journalists. It's mandatory now that all of the scribes have to go through a COVID-19 test. What was his real problem? Why did he react along with his son?
Well, Nabila, it's actually strange. It shocked all of us from the fraternity over here, because normally we see politicians talking about the type of work that the journalists are doing, especially TV journalists and TV cameramen. And here, after the Karnataka government stated that all TV journalists, that is camera persons as well as reporters, will have to undergo the COVID-19 test, Bengaluru, we also underwent that, thankfully negative. In Mandya as well, all the reporters and the camera persons went there. The issue is this: his home is next to this Ambedkar Bhavan where the journalists were being tested. He says, that is he along with his son and the supporters, that testing the journalists over there would mean that you are bringing the infection close to his home, bringing the virus close to his home. This is the issue. It started with an argument, then his son actually manhandled few of the journalists, and that is when the police actually stepped in. They have been booked, they're released, but extremely shameful, and one would not expect it from a politician.
Right. What's exactly the reason to why he attacked those journalists?
Well, Nabila, like I mentioned, his home is there, the Ambedkar Bhavan. He stays very close to that, so he did not want the journalists to be tested over here. He says that this place is clean. We don't want the journalists to be tested over here because they might infect the people. Basically, it's not the people. Since his home is close by, he was scared that he might be infected. And that's the reason he actually started all this drama.
Right, he needs to be reprimanded there. Nolan, thank you very much for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.